I've got a little MS 192 STIHL. It's a little limbing chainsaw. Just replaced the chain on it, and as you can see, the old chain was crooked. This link right here, if you can see there, I'm not sure, but it's a bit crooked. And there were other parts of the chain like that, and what that was doing is it was causing excessive heat. And also there was a lot of sawdust inside the groove here, sucking up all the oil from the oiler. So I bought a new chain, put it on, I tried it out, it seems alright. It seems like a good little saw overall. It's even got the hook back here, so you can clip it on your belt when you're climbing a tree. So I'll give it a start. I'll cut a few pieces of wood so you guys can see how she works. I've already had it started, so she should start the first ball. Anyways, that's just pieces of wood I keep here for testing. Usually I wouldn't be cutting in a big log like that with a little saw like that, but I'm surprised at how well it cut through that big piece of oak like that for just a little saw like that. It's about 30 cc's or 31 cc's, and it's very light. You can use it with one hand. I'd recommend this saw if you're in the limbing business, or even just around your yard for trimming trees and that. It'd be an excellent saw.